Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off cross-posting on Instagram. Cross-posting allows Instagram to automatically share your posts and stories to Facebook. If you want to stop this automatic sharing, follow these steps. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Now, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. From the menu, scroll down and select Cross-Posting. Inside the Cross-Posting, select the Account Center. You will automatically land on the Sharing Across Profiles page. Here you'll see two options under Share To section, one for Instagram posts and one for Instagram stories. To stop Instagram from automatically cross-posting your content to Facebook, toggle both options off. Once you disable these, Instagram will no longer auto-share your posts and stories to Facebook. You'll have full control over what gets shared and when it gets shared. If you want to share specific posts to Facebook later, you can still do it manually from the sharing options when you post. And that's how you turn off cross-posting on Instagram. If this helped, like and subscribe to App and Web Workshop for more Instagram tips and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching.